Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to convert JPEG to PNG file without losing the quality in Windows 10 laptop. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is open up your picture, just like what you see on the screen right here. After you open up your picture, next thing you want to do is to simply right click on the picture, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to resize image, and then this dialog window is going to pop up. By default, the image file size of this particular picture right here is JPEG. What I need to do is to simply click on here and make sure I switch to PNG. And then I make sure that I maintain higher resolution of 100%. So once I'm done, I'm going to click on save right here. And this is going to pump up. Then you can simply name the new file and say new file PNG, just like so. Then you can locate where you want to save the picture. So I'm going to simply save it on my desktop right here. Then I will simply click on save. It's as simple as that. So you can see from the top right here, PNG is saved to this particular desktop. So we can click on view folder right here, and then we have it here as PNG file format. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how you can simply convert JPEG file into PNG file without losing the quality of the picture on Windows 10 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.